Good morning, everyone. Christian just came from town. He dropped here some goods that he bought from town, and he drive back to the goat stool room. So I came from planting Napier grass because we got heavy rain yesterday. And Christian he drive back here because he carry a sack of crack corn. That's crack corn, honey. The goats love crack corns also. You see, yellow crack corn. All the goats are there waiting to go out. I did not put them out yet because I leave the gate open when Christian arrived. Since he left to town until he arrived, the gate is open, so the goats are not allowed to go out. They just wait. But they get breakfast already. Early this morning, Christian gave them the half of the Napier grass that I shred yesterday afternoon. So now we need to refill to transfer the crack corn to the plastic container. That's where we stock our crack corn. How many kilo is this, honey?
50.
50 kilos. So 50 kilos of yellow crack corn. How much? Huh? 800?
1,800.
1,800?
Yes.
So 1,800 for 50 kilos of crack corn. Refill. How many kilos on that container, Han? 50 also?
It's a 50 liters.
50 liters.
Well, the sack will fall down.
No, my leg is under.